So today I'm going to show you how to slide this top thin plate off your hot shoe in case you need to do some maintenance below it. For example, my camera hot shoe was really corroded underneath. That's how I received it, unfortunately, from MPB. So all you need are two simple tools, something like this hook or screwdriver, and thin plastic guitar pick, for example. What you need to do is slide the guitar pick inside in this spot, lift the thin metal plate up a bit, and then pull it with the hook or screwdriver or anything you like back towards you, and this way it will slide off. So let's do it. I'll zoom in a bit so you can see it better. Good. So first of all, I need to slide the guitar pick in there. Yeah, I'm doing it just watching the camera, so it's not the easiest thing to do. If I was doing it without camera, it would be very simple. Lift it up a bit, slide it back a bit, and that's now sliding off. So I hope I will be able to remove it just by the hand. Yeah. So as you can see, my hot shoe still has some corrosion there, however not too bad. Yeah, and to slide the metal plate into the hot shoe, you just simply align it, squeeze those top two springs, and just slide it in with your fingers like this, and slide it in fully, and that's it. And according to MPB, by doing this I avoided the camera warranty. Well, so be it. I got this camera for a very favorable price because it has few hairline scratches on the sensor which don't show in the photos. So I'm chuffed about the price of this camera anyway. And for the corroded hot shoe, I'm even getting some partial refund of £50, so it's even better price now. So yeah, take care everyone.